Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video, and welcome back to SHAEMAS! Are you guys having so much fun? I am having so much fun. I know we're really early on in my video marathon. You might be sick of me explaining SHAEMAS, but just in case you don't know what it is, from December 1st to December 25th, it is my SHAEMAS video marathon where I have a video up every single day for you guys. This year's SHAEMAS is so exciting because I'm doing giveaways every single day up until December 25th. They're gonna either be on YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, and follow my Twitter. Today's giveaway is going to be on Twitter, so make sure you're following my Twitter, head over there, and as soon as this video goes up, I post the giveaway post. By the way, I don't know if I've said this yet, the giveaway winners are always picked the day after the post goes up, so they're really short, fast little giveaways, and I ship all of the giveaway prizes out every Saturday. But if you win, I'll let you know that. We'll message, we'll be in communication, and I'm just so excited. Today's SHAEMAS video is super fun. I actually have a haul, and it's gonna be like a try-on haul with you guys. I placed a huge order with Glossier. I've never used Glossier before, other than a lip balm. I did have the Balm.com at one point when their brand first started a long time ago. I love that balm, but I hadn't tried anything since. By the way, if you have any Glossier favorites, please let me know what they are. So anyway, let's just get into what I bought. Let's start with skincare first. The first thing, this is really for the body. I got the Glossier Body Hero Lotion. It's a daily perfecting cream, and you just obviously spread it all over the body, as you do with lotion. I believe it's scentless, which I kind of like, and I will tell you, I almost haven't seen this at all because Alok is obsessed with it. If you have a boyfriend, girlfriend, honestly, whoever, if you have a partner or even a dad who loves lotion or needs a lot of lotion because their skin gets dry very easily, this is such an amazing, thick body lotion, but it doesn't stay like oily and greasy. Anyway, I highly recommend this lotion. There's no pretty scent or anything like that, but it's just awesome for body hydration. And look how huge it is. It's like really, really big. I'm like just obsessed with the Glossier packaging. I love how things kind of come, some things, they look a little like medical. Like I got this here. This is the Glossier Exfoliating Skin Perfector Solution, and it has 10% AHA, BHA, PHA, plus salicylic acid for acne treatment. So I was like, oh my gosh, I could totally use this. I haven't used it yet. I'll let you guys know how it is once I do. But isn't that packaging just like really cute? And it looks like this. I love the bottle. It's super cute. You open the lid here up top and you can put like little pledgets and like, you know, pump down and get your product out that way. But it's an exfoliating treatment. I'm so excited for this. I love exfoliating treatments. The last skincare item I got is the Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser. It's a conditioning face wash. It says you can use this on dry or damp skin and then rinse thoroughly. I was just intrigued by the jelly aspect of it all. I'm just gonna take the pump and it just smells clean. Oh, and it does feel kind of jelly. It's interesting. I'm really excited to try this, you guys. Let me know if you've tried it. And again, I just love how simple and clean and fresh all the packaging looks. I'm just a packaging junkie, and this just looks so pretty. Like I wouldn't mind leaving this out on my counter in my bathroom because it looks clean and fresh and just simple. By the way, if you like my headband, Walmart, bitch. I've been saying everyone's a little Target hoe. Hoes for Target. I'm a hoe for Walmart, okay? People want to laugh at Walmart. No. This was like $5. I got it in like 3 colors. And a subscriber just told me she went to Walmart to look for these and she got them on clearance for like $2. I'm like, what? Girl, get it. Oh, I got one more skincare thing. We can actually use this today. This is the Super Bounce Serum. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. You're just supposed to apply it on a clean face. Oh, they are cruelty-free in case you were wondering. It doesn't say if you can use it morning or night, so it's probably fine both. So let's give this a little go. That's cute. It's a little dropper. Starting off smaller because I don't, oh, that spreads out really nice. I don't notice any fragrance whatsoever. Ooh. I see why they call it Super Bounce. It does make your skin feel like a little bouncy, like it just got a little shot of hydration. It feels really, really nice. Do you see that glow it gave me? Ah! And there's no oily substance whatsoever. That is ideal. This I was so excited to try. I'm so excited to try it today. I have one from Pixie Beauty that's kind of like this. It's a rose balm, but it's kind of like a moisturizer. You could use that as a mask or you could use it as a primer. And I'm like so intrigued by like creams like that. So this is the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. It says after cleansing, massage dollops of the cream onto your face using upward strokes. Apply more where needed to prime the skin for makeup. So I love that. I love a moisturizer and a primer all in one. Does it have a scent? There's like, I don't want to say it's a scent, but there is a smell. I don't know what the smell is. It's not like a fragrance type of smell. It might just be a not like a fragrance-free type of smell. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm not making any sense. Anyway, I'm going to apply this as my moisturizer and as my primer, which I'm not a big primer person. There's only one primer in the world that I swear by, and you guys know it is the Fenty Beauty Primer. It is the best primer I've ever used. This feels so good. It definitely feels more like a moisturizer than a primer, but it's heavier. It absorbs right away. Cool, I'm excited to use this. So again, the one thing I regret not purchasing is they have this like liquid skin tint, and I don't know why I didn't get it. I think I was just trying to like keep costs low because everything I was buying was pretty expensive, and I'm telling you guys, I have not spent so much money on makeup like all year. Like all year. This was like a crazy late night wine driven haul. Like I was just like, yep, add it to the cart, add it to the cart, as if I don't have a wedding to pay for. But whatever, we did it, we're here. It's for work, right? I would love to try that. I'm gonna order it and I'm gonna try that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply just my normal foundation, and then we'll move on to the other products. All right, so I've just applied my foundation. I used the Il Maquillage foundation, Woke Up Like This in the shade 60. I cannot stop using this foundation. I love it so much. I think it looks natural, but gives me the coverage that I want. Next, we're gonna use the concealer I bought. This is the Glossier Stretch Concealer. One of my friends actually uses this and she loves it. I hope I got the right shade. I'm so nervous. This is in the shade Light Clair. First of all, the little bottle is so cute, or the little pot, if you will. Here it is up close if you want to get a look at it. Super cute. Feels nice. Doesn't feel too thick. Ew, it looks thinner. I wonder if that's why they call it the stretch concealer, because you can like, I don't know. Probably not making any sense. I'm gonna go ahead and place this under the eyes. It's got like a little glow to it. I feel like Glossier is very like your skin but better type of makeup. I don't think anything's meant to be really heavy or dramatic, which I'm kind of like into right now, which is so weird for me to say because my vibe usually is like super like drama intense makeup. But I feel like with this lighter hair, I've had to adapt my makeup to it a bit. It looks a little greasy. Of course, we haven't set it yet, but it does like, there is a sheen, which some people might like, but I almost feel like I don't like it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to set it and really wear it to see. And I've kind of gone into it like 3 times now for the amount of coverage I would want under my eyes. I really try to brighten that area up. So I think this might be a great like errand day concealer for me, but I don't know that I would wear this on a daily basis. It's cute. It's natural, you know, and I guess I actually do kind of like the glow now that I look. I mean, it'll probably go away once we set it. I don't know that I love that yet. I either love it or I hate it. I think I might hate it. So it's definitely not my favorite coverage. It's quite light, which I kind of was expecting. It's a thinner formula, which is nice if you don't like to wear real heavy makeup or if you want just a daytime makeup. I think you might really like it for that reason. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my powder. I'm just using my Laura Mercier setting powder for this. You know what? It served its purpose. I don't hate it at all, actually. It did brighten the area. It did conceal. I do tend to go a little heavier with my concealer, and I think that's just a preference. It doesn't mean this concealer's bad because it's not. I actually think it brightened really nicely. I think I look very bright under the eyes, but it's cute and I like that it doesn't feel heavy. I'm actually a fan of this. I just went on a weird emotional journey with this concealer. I like hated it and now I really like it. Now that I've said it, I'm like, hey, that's not too bad. I think that's kind of pretty. So before I use my foundation powder, I want to use these other 2 products that I got. Well, I'm only going to use one. And I think I'm probably gonna use the pink. I don't know. This is actually what like started my journey on the Glossier website. Lately, I've been so into cream products and I wanted to pick up some more like cream blushes and stuff. And I saw these cloud paints and I was like, whoa, those look really cool. Again, I just love the packaging. It's so simple and it's clean and it just looks fresh. I think these are gonna be more liquidy. This is the shade Storm. I'm sorry that if I'm applying that weird, but just so you guys can get an idea of it, there's Storm. And then I also got the shade Puff, which looks like a really pretty pink. I think I'm gonna end up using the shade Puff because I'm just such a pink cheek kind of girl. I love pink on my cheek. And so these just look so cool, don't they? And if I'm not mistaken, they had some type of deal with these. Like if you bought 2, you got, it's like a lesser price. You could bundle them, I believe. That could be something else. I don't remember. I'm just like so into like minimal makeup right now. Not that I haven't put on like a jillion layers, but I usually use such full coverage products that it's like really a new venture for me to go so lightweight on makeup. Okay, so I've got a bit on and I know that looks bright right away, but with products like this, once you diffuse it, it's really not bright. That is so cute. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. I actually feel like, you know, I just ran outside in the snow and I just got kissed on the cheeks by a little cold. I knew I would love these. I've been on such a crazy like cream and liquid makeup kick. If I haven't already uploaded it, I did film and I do have coming my favorite cream and liquid products because you guys know I've never been a cream product girl. I've never liked the cream sticks, cream foundations, cream blushes, cream contour. It's never been my thing. And then randomly, within this last month, I just can't stop using cream product. It's just so cute. It's such a cute natural pink. Oh, I'm crazy. I'm crazy about this. Now, I like a lot of blush, so this might be a little heavy for you, but for me, this is just ideal. It'd be cool if you could use these on the lips too. I mean, I don't think it would hurt anything, but it doesn't say to, so I'm not gonna. It blended in so quick and so easy, and I don't even feel it, and I like the cute little glow it gave our cheeks. I'm excited about these! Isn't that just pretty? I know it's a lot of blush. I like a lot of blush, but I think it's so cute. The next thing that I got is the is it Halo Scope or Hollow Scope? I don't know, but it's the Dew Effect highlighter, and I got mine in the shade, it doesn't say, maybe there was only one shade. Oh, I didn't even remember what this was. It's another stick product. I'm obsessed with sticks right now. Oh, this is in the shade Quartz. It's a twist up, of course. And actually, I believe in the center is their balm, like what they're known for. So I don't know if you can tell on my hand. It's a very subtle glow. There's not much glow. So I don't love like just sticking it like that because I feel like it lifts my makeup. So I'm gonna go in with my fingers and add that to the cheekbones. It's very subtle, very, very subtle. I think this would probably be a really nice like daytime office highlighter. You know, if you're in the office and you want a little glow, like I'll tell you, I obviously worked in makeup, and even I sometimes, even though I'm working in a makeup store, felt obnoxious at like 10 a.m. on a Monday morning with like a blinding highlight and a smoky eye. The place where it's like most appropriate, I felt a little like meh. So something like this is just really, really pretty. Or maybe even for like bridal makeup, professional photography, if you will. I actually like it. Whoa, that's actually really nice. Once you get a few layers on there, it is such a natural, beautiful glow. You guys, this video is not sponsored. I do just want you to know that. I did pay for these things all myself. I could also see maybe if you have dry skin, this being such a great product for you. Or if you have skin texture like me, something like this is just subtle and just nice in the most perfect way. I'm also gonna do some on the nose here. The nose is probably my favorite place to highlight my face. I feel like it just brightens everything, and it's just like, I'm like, ah, I'm here, I'm alive, I'm awake, I'm glowing. I'm gonna do the little Carly by Belle move. That's what I call it, because she always pops a little highlighter. My favorite thing right now is, even though I am applying quite a bit of layers of this creamy goodness, I don't feel as if I have a ton of makeup on. It still kind of feels like a very light, natural face. I'm doing some in the center of my forehead now because I just can't be stopped. I'm an animal. Love it, love it. Thought I was gonna hate it, and I love it. Glossier, what are you doing to me? Okay, so I also got a powder. This is the Glossier Wowder Weightless Finishing Powder. Oh, it has a little peel-off tab there. So here is the Wowder powder in the shade Light Medium. And I'm actually just gonna take this with like a very light brush because I don't want too much powder on like my highlight and stuff, because sometimes when you do apply powder there, it obviously kind of mattifies it. So I'm just gonna take a bit and try to just do a light setting. Does it smell weird? No, no smell. Again, it's weird because I didn't see on the packages at all where it said fragrance free or anything, but yet I haven't smelled a fragrance. I'm just using my Sigma Small Duo Fiber brush for this, so I'm not, of course, noticing any coverage. I am, first of all, using a very delicate brush, which really doesn't like apply product super heavily. It is setting my makeup because it doesn't feel tacky or oily. I think it probably is like the perfect type of powder for this makeup when you use a lot of creams and you don't want to mattify it, when you just work so hard to get that effortless glow. Wow, the glow is still showing through, but it doesn't feel sticky or tacky now. So next, on to eye products. The first thing I actually want to do is apply to my brows. This is the Glossier Boy Brow. It's called Boy Brow, and I believe it's like a fiber gel. I got it in the shade brown. I did fill in my brows because just, I know myself personally, just a fiber gel is not enough for me. My brows are so misshapen that I need them filled in properly. Oh my god, this is literally so cute and tiny. So there is the brow gel. Is it very pigmented? It's not, it's definitely pigmented, but it blends out, as you can see. It kind of moves around. So I don't think, oh, there, it kind of disappeared. So I don't think it's going to be anything too heavy. So anyway, I'm just kind of stroking this through. I don't have any brow gel on to begin with. I only did my pencil. You know what? It's a little dark for me. I would maybe try a lighter shade. Or I would fill in my brows more sparingly, like not do them quite so bold, and then add this in. And then it might be like what I need. Because I think that's just a little dark at least for my current hair color. Next on the eyes, I bought 2 of their Lid Star glistening eye glows. I believe these were a bundle deal, and I can't remember what color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. I wanted one color in particular. I don't remember what the second color is. So these are the 2 Lid Stars that I got. They're like a cream shadow. The green one is called Herb, and the pink one is called Slip. And there they are swatched there. So you can see they're very light. It's a very light color. You're going to be shocked because normally I would use the green because I'm such a green fan, but I think I really want to try the light pink. I think it's going to fit this look really well. So it comes on a little doe foot. Okay, apply that, and then I'm just going to blend that with my finger. That's really pretty. It's just subtle. If you could find something cheaper for this effect, you know, I'd say go for it. So I'm sure, I don't remember how much I paid for these, but I'm sure they were pricier for what they are. And I'm almost positive there's other drugstore brands that make similar products. So I'm so far highly impressed on how it's not creasing yet. We'll keep watching it, but it's not creasing yet. I will say though, my under eye concealer is creasing so bad. That's kind of annoying. Where's my mirror? I guess I should have most definitely used more setting powder under the eyes. The very last Glossier product that I got is this lash stick. It's a film form mascara. What does that mean? What is a film form mascara? I don't know what that means. It's the cutest little bottle I've ever seen. I love the pink. There is the wand there if you're interested in the size. I like it. It doesn't look too big or too thick, which is what I like. So let's go ahead and apply a few coats of this. Did I say that this was the last product that I got? It's not. I have one other thing. Ooh, it's insanely separating. There's like no clumping at all. It feels very lightweight, almost like super thin. That's just a pretty clean lash, very natural. I'm sure I sound like a broken record, but I love this mascara. It is so nice. First of all, I love trying mascara when you have either like no eyeshadow on or a light shade like this so you can really see the lashes and how they performed. It separated beautifully, but it did also thicken and lengthen. And I feel like I just look like, not to be cocky, but like a cute little like snow bunny right now. I feel like I've been running in the snow, sweating from all my snow play, a little rosy cheek and like just a little glisten, and I'm obsessed with this. I feel like I should be skiing in the Alps, or where do people hit the slopes? I don't know. I don't live that life, but that's how I feel. Okay, so the last thing that I'm kicking myself that I did not buy is one of their newer lip colors. They have these new like little lip balm things out, or little lipsticks. I absolutely hate that I didn't get one, especially because I was doing a full face, but I do have one lip product. This is the Glossier Rose Balm, and rose is my favorite scent of anything in the world, and I'm hoping it has a little rose tint because that would just be ideal for this look. How cute is this? It's the cutest little thing. Now, the cool thing about these balms is they're universal solves. So you can use them on lips, cuticles, elbows. It says on your friend, anywhere that needs a little love. So like a little moisture. See if we see it on the lip smudge. It feels so good though. It's like actually a pretty intense like little treatment. I do see a little rose coming through. It's a little flush of color. It feels so nice. It feels so moisturizing, and it doesn't feel tacky or glossy even. It's just smooth like a lip balm. Super cute. It's so great to have one of these in your bag. So you guys, that is it for my full face Glossier haul. Let me know what you think of everything. What are your favorite products from Glossier, or have you even tried them? Have you not tried them? I would love to hear it. And if there's anything I didn't pick up, which is hard to believe because I can't believe how much I freaking bought, it like almost gave me a panic attack, but I don't regret it. Everything is really nice. Like even the cream shadow, I can't believe that that's not creasing. I'm obsessed, you guys. I think Glossier like just shot up to my new favorite brand along with ColourPop, like legit. ColourPop Glossier, ColourPop Glossier. That takes a lot for me to say. You guys know I'm a diehard fan, but Glossier is just tooting my engine right now. Is that it? They're rooting, they're revving my engine. Again, let me know your thoughts on Glossier, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today, and don't forget to come back to my channel tomorrow for another SHAEMAS video, because it is my SHAEMAS video marathon, a new video every single day from December 1st to December 25th. And don't forget about my giveaways. Every day, check my Twitter, my Instagram, and my YouTube channel. You never know where the giveaway is gonna be. I'm not gonna tell you guys beforehand. You have to actually go and look. So if people aren't going and looking to see where the giveaway is, you guys have a higher chance of winning. So I think that's kind of cool. And you never know what you just might find. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for watching today. I hope you're having a great start to your holiday season, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!